Children, today we'll discuss क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 ऑफ एक्सरसाइज 5.2। बच्चों, आज हम लोग चैप्टर नंबर 5 की डेटा हैंडलिंग चैप्टर का क्वेश्चन एक्सरसाइज 5.2 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 करेंगे। तो देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 एक्सरसाइज 5.2 का है क्या। क्वेश्चन है, a group of 360 people were asked to vote for their favorite season from the three seasons: rainy, winter and summer. So the number of vote, see this table, the number of vote for summer season is 90 and the number of vote for rainy season is 120 and the number of vote for winter season is 150. So now as per the question, let us see what are the questions on the basis of this question number 2. See, first question, you have to write down the answer, and the question is which season got the most vote. You have to name the season which got the most vote. So see the table. By seeing this observation table, see the number of vote is 150, which is maximum, and this 150 vote is for which season? For winter season. So the answer of first part will be winter season got the most vote. See the second part of the same question, find the central angle of each sector. So before finding the central angle, first of all we have to sum up all the votes. See, for summer season 90 vote, for rainy season 120, for winter it is 150. When you add up all these 90, 120, 150, you will get 360. So on the basis of this data, you have to make a table like this, in having how many columns here? 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. So in first column you have to write season, in second column number of votes, in third column you have to write in fraction, and in fourth, that is last column, you have to write central angle. And this central, as per second part of the same question, you have to calculate the central angle. For summer season number of votes is 90 and the total vote is given by 360. So how can you find the fraction? So 90 upon 360, this will be the fraction. In the same way, for rainy season 120 by 360, for winter season 150 by 360. Now the central angle for the season, that is for summer season, will be this fraction into complete angle. You know the measure of complete angle is 360 degree. So this fraction into 360 means 90 upon 360 into 360. You will get this 360, cancel it this 3, you will get the 90 degree. In the same way, 120 upon 360 into 360, you will get 120 degree. Here 150 upon 360 into 360, you will get the 150 degree. So the central angle for summer season will be 90 degree, central angle for rainy season will be 120 degree, and at last central angle for winter season will be 360 degree. So this is how we can complete second part of the same question. But see the third part. In third part, you have to draw a pie chart to show this information. You have to draw the pie chart. See here, central angle for each season is known, so we can easily make a pie chart. So let us see the solution of third part. See pie chart, you have to make a complete circle. for first season the central angle is 90, so you have to make a 90 degree with the help of you may use protractor here. And for second season, that is rainy season, the central angle is 120, so you have to make this angle 120, and remaining angle will be already equals to 150 degree. Why? Because the total central angle will, the measure of central angle, total complete angle is 360 degree. So this is how we can draw the pie chart. So this is the solution of third part of the same question. In this way we can solve question number 2 of exercise 5.2. मुझे उम्मीद है बच्चों कि आप लोगों को समझ आ गया होगा. ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच. गॉड ब्लेस यू.